Oh, we got Poe. Got Alan. Robin.
By the way, I found this place because of my sweet Japanese.
Yeah. It's all because of Poe. You know, I had nothing to do with it.
I'm just kidding.
It's my idea.
That wicked ass Axel.
Taste the beast. Ah. Leaving society. Oh wow, look at that. That's promising. This whole broke down bus. Whoa.
Oh my god, that's...
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Alright, here we go for our little descent. Holy shit, dude. I just felt like the air just dropped by.
Yeah, I know, like 15 or 15 degrees.
That's good. I like that.
Wait.
Oh yeah, my light is awesome.
Yeah, you gotta take some pictures real quick so you guys don't have to deal with it.
What?
It goes farther.
Well, go check it out.
Yes, go check it out.
Push you down.
Fucking white people. You know I should have hung out with my black friends today.
Alright, we're in this little cave. Let's go and head out. Cause we got that little small opening, but let's save that one for later.
Okay.
Alright, this is the beginning of our descent.
Look up there.
Wow.
It looks like steps start right there again, so on our way out we can...
Yeah, but until then, we're gonna go down here.
I'm scared.
Hi, Jesse.
Alright. So we'll descent.
Damn, this is fucking tricky.
Like new shoes or something? No, they're fucking slick.
Holy shit, man.
Are you gonna be able to get out of here?
Holy fuck, I hear
I
water.
just rope.
Come on, Robin. I think so.
Whoa. I need to take my shirt off.
Oh shit, stop leaking on me.
Man, this trips me right the fuck out. You need to pee still?
Come on.
Holy shit.
Yeah?
Dude, it's an eel.
Yo, somebody get the camera, quick shit.
Freaking eel.
Oh, there's a shrine right here.
What's up?
There's a shrine right here.
Majimash.
Wow.
Wow, look.
Oh, there's the stalactites.
They worked really hard on this.
Trying to point my head in like the right direction.
What if like there's a dark spot and we just shine the light?
Alright. So we got a water thing going on.
Feel freaked out by this.
Well, I don't.
Hey, look what shoes I'm wearing.
Oh yeah. Look what I'm wearing.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go.
Alright.
This is actually... Okay, I'm taking my shirt off.
Dude, it literally smells like shit in here.
So here's Alan. Yeah.
Alright,
And Poe.
if we toss you our shirts and our glasses, will you put them somewhere? Alright. Toss you your shirt. Now. Creep back. Alright, just put in glasses.
Right there, I guess.
Take these
Alright, I don't know
glasses.
if you can.
I'm keeping my glasses.
Alright. Wait, hold mine.
It's all water.
Well, just put them back in.
No, hold up.
Oh, okay.
Turn off the video for now.
Let's just all start yelling.
What's that?
Let's just all start yelling.
Can't be doing that.
No, just like,
Hey, what is that?
what is it? Oh my god. Oh my god, run! We gotta make it sound legit though.
No, you better make a good video of this shit.
I took out my glass for a second.
I'm not gonna piss because I don't want to disrupt the spirits and like kill myself.
I don't want my forehead. Alright, look. Okay.
Oh, can't really see. I need like a big old floodlight.
Robin? Yeah, we're good.
This is the crap we're stepping in. That's my foot. Just probably trying to.
I should have worn my fucking tennis shoes.
Did I tell you tennis shoes, man? Or
I don't know, I just figured. I didn't figure it'd be slightly safe.
we're leaving?
Boldly go. We're not riding the down floor.
What?
Up top or down low?
On the camera, there's just a circle.
Different color though.
It's a little smaller than mine.
Do we have Robin's flashlight, or does she keep that one? I kept that one.
Alright, I say we go. I don't want to get on that motherfucker. Yeah, no sir.
Let me be the dumbass. You really can't see much unless it's really close with the lighting. Don't have powerful enough lights. Hmm?
Flood lamp.
I know. Big old spotlight. It's like most of it's just like a. Look at that.
Robin?
She's way gone.
We're way gone. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I think she's a little bit closer to the car than we are.
All right.
Left or right?
How are we gonna get up?
I mean, up. We can get down and get up. Oh yeah.
That's different.
You about to piss?
Pissing in the. Oh yeah.
Make it in the water. Come on, I want you to splash.
I didn't have to piss that bad.